As more businesses move towards the cloud, security, performance, and compliance become critical. A cloud audit helps ensure your cloud setup is secure, efficient, and meets regulatory standards. At Maruti Tech Labs, we believe staying audit ready is key to long-term success in the cloud. In this video, we'll walk you through the types, benefits, challenges, and best practices of cloud audits. Let's begin by understanding the top 3 types of cloud audits that keep your cloud in shape. First, security audits. These focus on preventing unauthorized access and protecting data. Strong passwords, encryption, and restricted access are essential checkpoints. Second, performance audits. These ensure cloud services run smoothly and meet service level agreements. They assess uptime, scalability, and how workloads are managed. Compliance audits. These verify whether your cloud setup aligns with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, or ISO standards, helping you avoid legal trouble. Now that we have seen the types, let's examine why cloud audits are important. First, risk management. Audits help detect vulnerabilities before they cause harm, enabling you to act fast and fine-tune your strategy. Second, customer trust. Certifications from audits show your commitment to security and boost customer confidence in your services. Third, resource optimization. Audits uncover wasted resources and inefficiencies, helping you save costs and improve performance. But conducting these audits isn't without challenges of auditing cloud systems. Unlike on-premise setups, cloud environments can't be physically inspected. The complexity of shared responsibility, rapidly changing assets, and limited visibility make cloud auditing tricky. Multi-tenancy also demands strong data segregation to maintain security. So how do you get it right? Let us explore 6 cloud audit best practices. First, define your audit scope, then assess your current setup and assets. Next, identify risks and gaps using tools, manual checks, and penetration tests. From there, prioritize mitigation strategies based on risk and impact. Use real-time monitoring tools like SIEM for ongoing protection. Finally, a clear audit report for all stakeholders must be compiled, and future audits should be scheduled to ensure continued effectiveness. A cloud audit isn't just a check box, it is a continuous process that helps you build secure, scalable, and compliant cloud systems. Done right, it safeguards your operations and builds trust. Check out the full blog in the description and contact us using the link to get in touch. That's it for today's video. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Maruti Tech Labs. See you in the next one.